HowExpert Guide to Drawing People and Portraits is your complete step-by-step blueprint for mastering the human face and figure. With 200-plus illustrations, clear teaching, and a proven 36-day system, you will learn to draw people with accuracy, character, and confidence. The exclusive framework guides you from foundational shapes to expressive portraits and dynamic full-body poses in a simple sequence anyone can follow. Across 36 days of step-by-step training, you will build fundamentals, refine facial features, capture emotion, strengthen anatomy, explore clothing and cultural styles, and complete polished portraits and creative scenes. By the end, you will have a personal collection of artwork, along with the confidence and skill to keep growing as an artist. Introduction. Learn why portrait art matters, what tools and materials to use, how different styles work, and how the 36-day system guides your progress. Chapter 1. P. Proportions and Foundations. Days 1 to 3. Build the basics with head shapes, facial guidelines, and essential body proportions. Chapter 2. O. Observing Facial Features. Days 4 to 6. Practice drawing eyes, noses, and mouths from multiple angles. Chapter 3. R. Rendering Expressions. Days 7 to 9. Capture happiness, sadness, anger, surprise, subtle emotion, and everything in between. Chapter 4. T. Textures and Hair. Days 10 to 12. Master short, long, curly, straight, and facial hair with believable texture. Chapter 5. R. Realistic Anatomy. Days 13 to 15. Study the upper body, lower body, hands, feet, and dynamic poses. Chapter 6. A. Accurate Portraits. Days 16 to 18. Draw male, female, and child portraits across different age groups. Chapter 7. I. Individual Styles. Days 19 to 21. Explore everyday characters, clothing and fabrics, and fantasy-inspired designs. Chapter 8. T. Themed Groups. Days 22 to 24. Create family scenes, professions, and activity-based group portraits. Chapter 9. A. Artistic Styles. Days 25 to 27. Practice realism, cartoon, manga, stylized art, and more. Chapter 10. R. Reference and Lighting. Days 28 to 30. Improve using photo references, lighting angles, and shading methods. Chapter 11. T. Training and Growth. Days 31 to 33. Build strong habits, fix common mistakes, and strengthen your long-term artistic development. Chapter 12. S. Showcase and Final Projects. Days 34 to 36. Complete personal portraits, full scenes, and a final creative masterpiece. Conclusion. Celebrate your progress, learn how to keep improving, and build creative momentum for life. Appendices includes 100-plus practice prompts, anatomy proportion charts, resource guides, and frequently asked questions. Whether you are a beginner, a returning artist, or an experienced illustrator, HowExpert Guide to Drawing People and Portraits gives you a clear and structured path to mastering portrait and figure drawing. With the 36-day system and 200-plus illustrations guiding your progress, you will sharpen your eye, strengthen your technique, and unlock artistic skills you may not have believed possible. Start your people and portrait drawing journey with purpose. This guide helps you draw faces, features, and full-body poses with clarity and confidence. Each lesson brings you closer to the artist you're meant to be. Pick up your pencil, trust your creativity, and start drawing people and portraits today. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.